Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of gardening, and I'm going to explain to you how to build your own bean tunnel using just rebar and metal fencing. This simple and effective structure will not only enhance the aesthetics of your garden, but also provide a functional and efficient way to grow climbing beans. Let's get started. Why build a bean tunnel, you might ask? Well, the bean tunnel offers several advantages. First, it maximizes vertical space, allowing you to grow more plants in a smaller footprint. Second, it provides excellent support for climbing bean varieties, encouraging healthy growth and easy harvest. Lastly, it adds an eye-catching architectural element to your garden, creating a whimsical and enchanting atmosphere. To construct your bean tunnel, you'll need a few materials. Start by gathering sturdy rebar rods and metal fencing. The rebar will serve as the frame, providing the structure, while the metal fencing will create a trellis-like grid for the beans to climb on. So first, you're just going to want to choose a sunny location. Then you want to measure and mark. Next, you want to dig your holes. After that, you insert your rebars. Then you connect your rods. Secure the hardware cloth or metal fencing. Plant your beans, and then train the beans. Remember to regularly water, fertilize, and monitor your bean plants. Prune any excessive growth to maintain a tidy and productive tunnel. By providing vertical support, the bean tunnel improves air circulation, reduces the risk of disease, and makes harvesting a breeze. Now here's the fun tip. You can experiment with different bean varieties and companion plants to create a diverse and visually appealing bean tunnel. Consider mixing pole beans with vibrant flowering vines or companion plants like nasturtiums or marigolds to add color and attract beneficial insects. Building your own bean tunnel using rebar and hardware cloth or metal fencing is a fantastic way to maximize your garden space, enhance aesthetics, and grow healthy climbing beans. Plus, it's a rewarding and enjoyable do-it-yourself project. We hope this guide has inspired you to create your own bean tunnel and experience the joy of bountiful harvest. Happy gardening. And thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.